Hey guys, in this video, I am going to help you discover your coaching zone of genius using human design. Your coaching zone of genius is how you use your unique strengths and gifts to help your clients create results. Knowing your zone of genius is important because it helps you see your differentiators, which are the things that set you apart from the other people in your industry. Yes, it is a busy online space. Yes, there are many coaches being pumped out of different coaching programs on a daily basis, and there is some competition out there. But knowing your zone of genius is going to help you show up as the expert that you are confidently and able to express yourself in a new and intriguing way. Everything that we talk about today is covered in my free guide, Discover Your Coaching Genius Using Human Design, and you can grab that at the link above. There are specific parts of your human design chart that give you insight into your coaching zone of genius. The three that we're going to cover in this video are your incarnation cross, your profile, and your channels. Your incarnation cross is going to give you insight into your life's work, what you are here to do, how you are here to help people, and why you are the best person to help people. You can take this a step further by looking at your sun gate. Your sun gate on your chart is right here. And this is going to help you really identify your leadership energy, the thing that you are here to help people with in the world. The second place to look to discover your zone of genius is your profile. Your profile gives you more insight into your personality and how you operate. But the key thing here is it's going to help you identify the how. How do you help people? How do you problem solve? How do you provide value, impact, and service in the world? So you're going to get that from your profile lines. There are videos on my channel here that will walk you through your unique profile. And if you want to take that a step further, you can visit my website and download your personalized human design guide for business success, which is going to walk you through your profile in depth, as well as many of the other aspects of your human design chart. All right, so the final place that we're going to talk about today to discover your coaching zone of genius is your channels. Your channels are your superpowers, your unique, innate gifts, the things that you are naturally talented at. And I like to use the channels to boost confidence. So what do you already know about yourself? What are you good at? What are your strengths? What do you naturally enjoy doing? Read your channels, and I bet you they're going to help back up what you already know about yourself. So to sum it up, you're going to look at your incarnation cross, which gives you the theme of what you are here to do and why you are the best person to help in this area. You can take this further by reading about your sun gate. Next, you're going to explore your profile, which tells you the how. How are you helping people? What is your natural way of problem solving and providing service and value in the world? And then third, you're going to look at your channels, which are your natural gifts and superpowers, and they are going to help you show up as an expert in your field and sell your offers with conviction. So you can download your free guide at whitneycopeland.com/genius, where I'm going to walk you through this process of discovering your coaching zone of genius. And I'm also going to provide you with the one fill in the blank sentence that will help you market your zone of genius so that you can start attracting your ideal clients. If you don't identify your unique zone of genius, you end up playing small. You water down your message, you blend in with all of the other coaches out there, and you're in this competition rather than creating your own game. So I really encourage you to discover this for yourself. It's a fun process. It might not happen overnight, but you can definitely come up with that one sentence that is going to help you market yourself in a unique and intriguing way. So if you're not booking clients or making money, If you're not sure what sets you apart from other people in your industry, and if you feel like you're diluting your message and not showing up as yourself, the expert that you are online or when you're out at networking events, download the guide, do this work, and I will see you soon.